Hi guys, welcome to my channel Quality Time. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more paper crafts. Today we will make a 3D greeting card. It's very simple, cute and elegant model. All that you need is color papers, ruler, scissors and pencil. First we will make paper box. The marking should be 2.2 inches apart to form 8 squares. Now cut the paper. Now fold the paper like me and follow what I do. Glue the edge to the side to make a square shape. Cut 4 2x2-inch square pieces of paper and glue them to the 4 floppy sides. Get a 3-inch long piece of paper and fold both edges 0.4 inches. Here you can write whatever you want. For example, Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Birthday, Happy Wedding Day, or anything else. Now we'll decorate the box. Glue the folded edges to the inside of the box. Now we need decorative paper that is bigger than the box when folded. Now glue pink bands to the center of the decorative paper. Slide the box underneath the band. As you can see, greeting card looks elegant, nice and unique. Thanks for watching my video. For more videos, don't forget subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. All feedback is welcome. See you in my next video.